In Pro, in the Catalog pane, in the Project tab, refresh the My Downloads folder. Turn off all layers in the map. Click Map, Add Data, and navigate to the My Downloads folder. Hold the Control key down and click each of the 3 DEM rasters to select them. They all start with NED and have a .img extension. Don't add the JPEG files by mistake. Figure out which is which, and name the layers Ned West, Ned Lake, and Ned East. Open the layer properties for Ned Lake and examine the spatial reference and the raster information sections.